Merhaba, hello, my name is Johara-Gemma. Today I will be starting a new show called Speaking for Mother Nature. This is an edition of my show Speaking for the Animals, and I will be starting this show because I want to keep you all informed about what is happening with the environment, and I think it's very important to keep everybody aware what is happening because the world is something that concerns us all. Doesn't matter where we live. So today I will be talking about the disappearing of the honeybees. And this is something that is happening worldwide, not only here in the US. And this would affect us all. And I will be explaining to you how this would affect us. And the role that these bees play in our everyday life. So without the honeybees, there would be no pollinating of the insect life. There would be no fruits, no vegetables, and no field crops. This would create an uneconomical hardship for the farm and food industry. Did you know that every 3 bits of food you put in your mouth comes from a pollinated plant? Yes, people and animals would be affected by this if the honeybees were to disappear. Let me give you an example of all the plants that would be disappearing from our everyday life. This would include the almonds, apples, apricots, avocados, blueberries, cherries, citrus, cranberries, grapes, kiwi fruit, loganberries, macadamia nuts, nectarines, olives, peaches, pears, asparagus, broccoli, carrots, cauliflower, celery, cucumbers, honeydew, onions, pumpkins, squash, watermelons, alfalfa, alfalfa seed, cotton lint, cotton seed, legume seed, peanuts, rapeseed, soybeans, sugar beets, and sunflowers. So we would be missing out on all these plants that we take for granted in our everyday life. Yes, since 2006, beekeepers started noticing that the honeybees were disappearing, leaving behind a healthy queen and the little babies. Researchers call this phenomenon colony collapse disorder. Yes, researchers call this colony collapse disorder. And the cause of these bees disappearing and getting this strange disorder is caused by a number of reasons. Chemical pesticides and habituates, global warming, contaminated water, and radiation. So think about how important the honeybees are to the environment with everything I mentioned, all the plants we would be missing from our everyday life. But here is something we could actually do to help. This would be creating a bee-friendly garden in our backyards or in your school or in your local community. This would start by planting local flowers, local plants that require less water and fertilization than non-native plants. So it would be a good idea to plant native plants in your garden or in the local school. Not only it would look pretty, but it would also create a bee-friendly garden, and you would be helping out the honeybees so they don't disappear from our everyday life. So think about it. Until next week, join me, Johara-Gemma, in Speaking for Mother Nature. Join me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next week, join me in Speaking for Mother Nature. Salam. Peace. Bye bye.